Hello everyone, welcome again to my lecture. Here in this lecture, I have selected another five questions for you people from under this one formula integration of e to the power x f of x plus f dash x dx is equal to e to the power x f of x plus c. Why I have selected so many questions for you people? In the previous video also I have explained two different questions. Because in the final exam you will get one question from this one type. Okay, that's why I have selected so many questions from this one exercise. So let's start. Few formulas are there. What is the specific property of this formula? Already I have explained. That means e to the power x should be there, and excluding e to the power x, whatever of the expression will be there, it will be a combination of two different terms, where one term is the derivative of the another one. So if that type of situation will be arise, then obviously the integration value of that expression will be equal to e to the power x f of x plus c. Okay, so let's start. First of all, from the observation you have come to know that e to the power x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 whole cube dx. So as e to the power x is there, we can easily think about the application of that property. এটা কথাটো হল e to the power x এর ফর্মুলা এপ্লাই কৰিবলৈ যোৱাৰ আগত excluding e to the power x, whatever the expression is there, that expression should be the sum of two different terms, where one term is the derivative of the another one. য'ত এটা term আনটো termৰ derivative হ'ব লাগিব। তাৰ কি ঠিক আছে? So আমি লিখো যে এই ইয়াত এটা টার্ম আছে, so we will try to rearrange the term. এই টার্মটো আমি rearrange কৰিব ট্ৰাই কৰিম। So মই কোৱেশ্চনটো স্টাৰ্ট কৰিছো, এবাৰ ভালকে চাই লওঁ কেনেকে। Now we are going to write down this term as a sum of two different term. আমি দুটা টার্মক এক্সপ্ৰেছ কৰিব ট্ৰাই কৰিম। আৰু তোমালোকে obviously কৰি থাকিলে প্ৰেক্টিস কৰিলে you will get the idea মই কেনেকে গম পালো। So what is the first procedure? X plus 1. So first of all I will write down x plus 1 here. তলত যেটো টার্ম x plus 1 whole cube, no? So in place of x what is there? X plus 1 is there. Here x plus 1 to তোমাকে numerator লিখিবা, but initially in the numerator what is there? X minus 1 আছে, তুমি কিমান লিখিলা? X plus 1. X plus 1 ৰ লগত আৰু কি টার্ম প্লাস অর মাইনাস কৰিলে তোমালোকে x minus 1 পাবা, obviously minus 2. I hope you are getting my point. ঠিক আছে? So plus 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So I have written the same thing only. My ekata bostu ke likhisu, but I have arranged in a systematic way so that a term to duta termor sum hisabe express hoy. So now dividing each and every term by the denominator, so a to divide kore tomaloke paba 1 by x plus 1 whole square minus 2 by x plus 1 whole cube. And this expression can be written as 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus minus 2 by x plus 1 whole cube. If you have gone through the previous video, then you have come to know that x plus 1, this one expression can be considered as x. X plus 1 of x will you consider to go party, because the derivative of x and the derivative of x plus 1 is 1. That is same. X or derivative of x plus 1 or derivative is same hoy karone ami x boli bhabisu. Then what is the derivative of 1 by x square? 1 by x square derivative kiman? Janane kiman hoy? Minus 2 by etu upore jabo minus 2 by x cube. Same way 1 by x plus 1 whole square, what is the derivative? Minus 2 by x plus 1 whole cube. That's why this one is f of x and this one is f dash x. So what will be the answer then? So the answer is man অনুমান কৰিব পাৰিছে। So answer will be e to the power x f of x. What is f of x here? 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus c. So this is the answer. I hope you are getting my point. So now I'm going to find out the answer of each and every question which is written there on the right hand side. Right hand side থকা প্ৰত্যেকটো question মই answer দিব try কৰিম। Now let us consider the first one here. আমি এই কনসিডার কৰিছো, তোমালোকে দেখিলে এটা ভাবিছো যে কোশ্চন কেনেদৰে কৰা যায়। You will not get the point, but from today onwards obviously you will get my point. তোমালোকে বুজি পাবা যে মই কি কৰিব বিচাৰিছো। সো মই কৈছো এই ফৰ্মুলা এপ্লাই কৰিব কাৰণে কি হ'ব লাগে? e to the power x থাকিব লাগে, কিন্তু মনত ৰাখিবা e to the power x নাথাকিলেও কিছুমান কোৱেশ্চন যেনেকৈ log x থকা কোৱেশ্চন বিলাকত আমি এৰেঞ্জ কৰি এই ফৰ্মুলাটো আনিব পাৰো। The terms which contains the question which contains two terms containing log থকা টার্ম বিলাকৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত এনেকুৱা এটা ফৰ্মুলাটো কথা ভাবি চাব পাৰা। যদি বেলেগ কিবা বেলেগ উপায় নোপোৱা, that means we are not getting any another way, বেলেগ কিবা way বিচাৰি নাই, we don't have any idea about the integration of log x. আমি 1 by integration of log x or integration ভ্যালু নাই। Similarly, we don't have any idea about the integration of 1 by log x whole square. Then we have to think the other way, বেলেগ এটা ধৰণে ভাবিব লাগিব। তেতিয়া মই কি কৈছো, we can think about that formula only. So চোৱা আমি কি কৰিম, I equal to integration of 1 by log x minus 1 by log x whole square dx. So let log x is equal to z. It is known to you. তোমাকে জানা log x equal to মই z বুলি কনসিডার কৰিলো base e, then obviously x is equal to what? e to the power z. এই logarithmic formula হয়. Log of x equal to z হলে then what is the value of x? X equal to e to the power z. Then what is the derivative? That is differentiating both sides with respect to x or with respect to z we have, with respect to x we have e to the power z dz. dx equal to e to the power z or difference on e to the power z then dz. ঠিক আছে? So now we can easily write down I will convert it to the form of 1 by z because log x equal to z minus 1 by z square, then what is the value of e to the power z dz. So if you observe carefully then you will get my point plus minus 1 by z square e to the power z dz. What is the derivative of 1 by x? The derivative of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by x square. So that's why this one is f of x and this one is f dash x, just like this one, f of x plus f dash x, and here it is e to the power x is there. Then what is the integration value? E to the power x f of x. So এটা আমার f of x হয় আর এটা কি হবে f dash x, and এটা কি হয় e to the power x. So that's why the answer will be e to the power x. That means here in place of x what is there? Z is there, so e to the power x f of x. That means e to the power z 1 by z plus c. But you have to substitute the value of z. Z or value to substitute কৰি লবা কাৰণ তোমাকে নিজে কনসিডার কৰিছা. So z is equal to what? So log x to the base. Z is equal to log x 1 by log x plus c. Correct? And remember its value will be exactly equal to x. A expression to e to the power log x to the base e, which can be written as x. এটা x বুলি লিখব. এটা চোৱা e to the power z মানে কিমান লিখিছা? e to the power z means x. আমি গোটে আনসারটা x ত লিখিব লাগিব. So answer will be equal to x. X into 1 by log x plus c, the answer of this one. In the same way you can find out the answer of this question also and this one also. তোমালোকে দুইটা question answer তোমালোকে find out কৰিব পাৰিবা log x equal to z বুলি কনসিডার কৰি. Same procedure. তোমালোকে চাব পাৰা মই suppose a second question to কৰিব বিচাৰিছো third one to. So as you have got the answer of this question, so now I am going to find out the answer of this one. So কিমান আছে log x divided by question number 3, log x divided by 1 plus log x whole square. So then obviously we have I equal to z 1 plus z whole square. তোমালোকে মনত কৰিছো না স্টাডি কৰা যে কোৱেশ্চন আমি কৰিছিলো লিখা একেই হৈছে নে বাৰু dx means what e to the power z. In place of dx I have written e to the power z dz. Same procedure. So now this expression can be written as z plus 1. প্রথমে denominator যেটো আছে হেতুকে লিখিব লাগে, যেটো আছে হেতু লিখিবা. In place of x what is there? Z plus 1. So z plus 1 I have written, but in place of in the numerator what is there? Z আছে তোমালোকে কিমান লিখিছা? Z plus 1, so minus 1 কৰি দিছো. So answer is dz. Now dividing both sides, দুইটা সাইড dividing each and every term by this one. ইয়াৰ ডিভাইড কৰিলে তোমালোকে পাবা I equal to integration of 1 by z plus 1 minus 1 by z plus 1 whole square e to the power z. Same way 1 by x তার ইন্টিগ্রেশন হলো minus 1 by x square. So answer is e to the power z 1 by z plus 1 plus c. So what is the value of z? Z is equal to log x. This one is x 1 by log x plus 1 plus c. So this is the answer of the question of this one. In the same way you can find out the answer of this question also considering log x equal to z. তোমালোকে ইয়াকো এই কোৱেশ্চন অলপ বেলেগ ধৰণৰ হয়, মই সলভ কৰি দেখাইছো. So question কি আছে? Log of log x plus 1 by log x whole square. Okay, so dx. So let the same way log x equal to z, x equal to what? E to the power z. That is differentiating both sides, dx equal to e to the power z dz. Then I will convert it to the form of log of z plus 1 by z square. Okay, and dx equal to what? What is the value of dx? E to the power z dz. এতিয়া চোৱা তোমালোকে e to the power z পাইছা, ইয়াত দুটা টার্ম আছে but one is the derivative of the other one হেতু কন্ডিশন কিটা স্যাটিসফাই নাই কৰা e to the power x থাকিব লাগিব দুটা টার্ম থাকিব লাগিব and one term will be the derivative of the other one এটা ডেরিভেটিভ হ'ব লাগিব কিন্তু আমি দেখিলো যে what is the derivative of log z it is 1 by z not 1 by z square আমি কি কৰিম যে log z ৰ ডেরিভেটিভটো হৈছে 1 by z কিন্তু আছে কিমান ইয়াত 1 by z square so now I am going to arrange আমি arrange কৰিব গৈছো কোৱেশ্চনটো কেনেকুৱা ধৰণে কৰি পেলাম সব এটো এনেকৈ লিখিব পাৰি নি বাৰু তোমালোকে ভালকৈ চালে দেখিবা log of z plus 1 by z minus 1 by z plus 1 by z square what we have done e to the power z dz কি কৰিছো plus 1 by z minus 1 by z it will be cancelled so what will be our answer log z plus 1 by z square same statement I have written so now writing separately তোমালোকে এনেকৈ চালে দেখিবা সব কিমান আছে log of z plus 1 by z correct minus 1 by z minus 1 by z square okay e to the power z is z okay or you can easily write down it will be better log of minus 1 by z plus 1 by z okay 1 by z plus 1 by z square what is the answer log z plus 1 by z okay this one is the answer wait okay what can we write it down now observe carefully this one is f of x and this one is f plus x am I correct what is the derivative of log z 1 by z what is the derivative of 1 by z minus 1 by z square so that's why answer will be e to the power z f of x means log z plus 1 by z plus c so e to the power z means x log z means e to the power x plus z means log x plus so this is the answer কি কৰিলো সব তোমালোকে এবাৰ নিজে ভাবি লোৱা in place of log x we have considered z z বুলি সাবস্টিটিউট কৰাৰ পিছত তোমালোকে এইটো স্টেপ মনত ৰাখিবা 1 plus z আৰু minus 1 by z আমি 1 by z আৰু 1 minus 1 by z আমি এৰৰ সাবট্ৰেক্ট কৰিছো তাৰপিছত এৰৰ সাবট্ৰেক্ট কৰাৰ পিছত তোমালোকে ভালকৈ চালে দেখিবা we have arranged in a systematic way so this one will be minus okay then এইটো কথা এইটো বেটাৰ হ'ব plus okay কারণ মাজত কি সাইন থাকে এটা f of x আর f plus x হয় so this one is log z what is the derivative of log z 1 by z then what is the derivative of minus 1 by z ddz of minus 1 by z means কিমান হ'ব জানানে মাইনাস টো আগলৈ গুছি আহিলে so ddz of z to the power minus 1 কিমান হ'ব মাইনাস তোমালোকে তো জানাই নহয় কৰিব কেনেকৈ কৰে 1 by z ৰ ডেরিভেটিভ কিমান হ'ব মাইনাস টো আগৰ পৰাই আছে ইয়াৰ পাৱাৰ 1 আছে so minus 1 by z square minus minus plus 1 by z square তাৰ মানে minus 1 by z ৰ ডেরিভেটিভ হ'ব 1 by z square so that's why f of x will be log z minus 1 by z so this one is answer I hope you are getting my point so one another question is also there question number 2 এটা আছিল question number 2 to কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ আছিল এটা চাই দিছো I think question number 2 was slider e to the power x plus 2 by x plus 4 whole square correct dx so directly we can easily write down as e to the power x is there so we will try to apply that formula he formula apply to try again but আমি তাক arrange কেনেকৈ কৰিছো চোৱা denominator যেটো আছে হেতু লিখিব লাগে x plus 4 কি আছে so minus 2 এটা কৰি দিয়া so x plus 4 whole square dx now writing separately আমি যদি separately divide কৰো so we will have 1 minus 2 by x plus 4 whole square dx ঠিক আছে so what is the next step what can we do so e to the power x sabare মই কি কৰিব বিচাৰিছো so a minus b whole square expand কৰি দিয়া to apply that formula square should not be there একো expression square থাকিব নোৱাৰিব So then মই a minus b whole square expand কৰিছো 1 a square plus a square suppose plus b square minus twice ab, that means 4 by x plus 4. Correct? So dx. If you observe carefully, this expression can be written as e to the power x 1 minus 4 by x plus 4, okay, plus 4 by x plus 4 whole square. That means, what is the derivative of this one? This one expression, what is the derivative of 1 by x? Minus 1 by x square. In the same way, x plus 4 can be considered as x because this is linear. It is linear ভাগৰ কাৰণে আমি x বুলি কনসিডাৰ কৰিছো আৰু ইয়াৰ ডেৰিভেটিভ x লগত একেইছো x ৰ ডেৰিভেটিভ 1 আৰু ইয়াৰ ডেৰিভেটিভ 1 কেনে x বুলি ভাবিছো so this is just like as 4 by x 4 by x ৰ ডেৰিভেটিভ কিমান হ'ব -1 minus 4 by x square মই যদি এখানে মাইনাস টা দি দিও then obviously minus minus is going to become plus, that means the derivative of minus 4 by x is equal to 4 by x square. That means this is the derivative of this one. And what is the derivative of 1? 0. That means this one will be considered as f of x and it will be f dash x. ঠিক আছে ভালকে চোৱা এটো আমি f of x আৰু এটা f dash x হৈ গল, so that's why answer will be e to the power x f of x 1 minus 4 by x plus 4 plus 0. So this is the answer. In this way, we have to find out the answer of each and every question. Particular question answer, we have to find out. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. So thank you so much for watching the video.